children. In this video, we are going to see Unit 3 Prose Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is a novel by Daniel Defoe, first published on 25th April 1719. Daniel Defoe was an English trader, writer, journalist, and a spy. Let us know the characters involved in this lesson. Robinson Crusoe, Friday, Friday's father, and friends, tribals, and cannibals. Robinson Crusoe is a person who loves adventure, but his parents wanted him to become a lawyer. So he left his home at the age of 18 and started his journey on the sea. On his journey, he had many problems. One day, there was a big storm in the sea that damaged his ship. The ship started to sink. Robinson somehow managed and reached the island. Once he reached the island, he felt so tired and slept on the sand. When he woke up, he found a dog nearby him. Both were all alone in that island. Robinson Crusoe was very excited that he explored an island. There, Robinson found his broken ship. He went to the ship and took some food, clothing, guns, and tools from it. So, if we want to survive in an unknown place, first we need a shelter, right? So, Robinson Crusoe prepared his own shelter using the tools and things in that island. Then he moved around the island. There he found goats and hares. So he started hunting it and ate it. To make note of the days, he started to count days using wooden cross and made a calendar for himself. Few days later, he found a footprint on the other side of the island. He was shocked because from the day he explored the island till that day, he did not see any human creature on that island. He got scared and lived with fear for 2 years. Then one fine day he saw a young boy was chased by the tribal people. Robinson shot the tribals and saved that boy. Later he named him as Friday because he met him on Friday. Robinson taught Friday to speak in English and also he taught him to behave and eat like a human. Both Robinson and Friday had a nice time in that island. One day in the island, they found some people were captured by the cannibals. Cannibals were people who eat other people. So, in order to save those people who were captured by the cannibals, both Robinson and Friday fought with the cannibals and saved them. In that group, Friday saw his father and his friends. Both father and his friends stayed with Friday for few days in that island and they left the island. During that time, Friday found a ship that had been a long time in that island. He informed Robinson about the ship. Both Friday and Robinson noticed and watched the ship carefully for few days. Then they found the people in the ship were rebelled against the captain. So Robinson decided to save the captain and capture the ship. Robinson fought and killed few rebels in the ship, and saved the captain. Now, all the three, Robinson, Friday, and the captain, were sailing back to England. Robinson was very excited to see his parents and the hometown after 28 years, 2 months, and 19 days. So, for Robinson, it would be an unforgettable memory in that island. So, children, from this lesson, we have understood that we need to survive in all type of situations. Thank you, children.